Okay. Okay, tí riomh agus lá bra brothalach a háise agus tháinig ag déanamh do mí mórta dhéanamar gealtanas chun green smoothie a bheith goin gachéile lá. Hamtar éis leabhar a léamh Green for Life agus Caisirháin. Ham just díreach éis Caisirháin éiscint agus níor sé sin an hana, so be sé sin sa Athbhríoch Earraigh a hamid chun dhéanamh. Athbhríoch Earraigh is a spring tonic and há sé seo an carís comá, this is Lent. So agus há sé an arach agus há sé an am chun do chorpa glanne amach. Ní éon gná arach a há sé. De gná san arach a gachar gnóthach agus há mid brostú. Ag brostú agus ag dhéirí oilmhúd an saoire ach an bhailirteach tá lú faoi láthair. Tá gachar ag muile síos agus ag stoppa agus ag dúna suas agus há sé sais codarsnacht ann idir an glúiseacht nádúrtha agus an glúiseacht sosiálta is dócha. So há méid fós chun anúnt leis an glúiseacht nádúrtha agus chun ar chuid saol agus ólas a rhaine agus péróid a há úsáideach in am mar seo ina bhfuil sais laidú ar an méadrodí a há timpeall agus go gaithimid brahant níos mó ar an nádúr agus ar an flúirseacht a há taobh mó seachas istigh sa siúpaí. So in óh tas nó mé le námtóga. Déitimís clár omláin i dhéanamh ar námtóga agus actually bhrealam é sin i dhéanamh but fé láthair ha mé just chun é hispáinteid. Ha mé just a ráilih ham literally díreach taobh mud an doras. Cool doras. Now, if fiú má há tú coní a chahar agus há gardín beag agat, há na rudí a hamid a gúsáid ar fud an tír seo. Níl siad, it's rud cuthianta iad. They're common plants and they're everywhere. Agus deirtar comá go bhfuil an rud ha mé gúsáid má lámhíní nua for the littles. Shakas. I mean, did for look just his bond made. You can grasp the nettle. You know, how slitte connection in of nach roan shehu. So it won't burn you if you grasp it. Because she one nuri hena hypodermic needles is stuck on it. So nor a brishin she is stuck in the cracking. But like nor homic value an a chid usadim lavini because few nor hot again of on grasping. Or she like tain the dalag stuck. So it's the easier. I haven't got my spring fingers yet anyway. Maybe when, you know, when I've and you'll notice like go bhfuil mig tógan just bore, doesn't an tóga, just a bore. Because má dhéanann tú sin a cúpla seachtain big bore eile ann ní fiú níos lú like seachtain ní lisagum like just go tapig tag an bore eile air. So that's why like just couldn't ve bog leis because hon a frévacha lag agus ha she firished go dagan an námtóg fad suas de láh agus an sin ní bheith an námtóg sin ann a ríist it. I mean ha she'd floor shop but you know so it's lower son agus sin a rock how they're really nutrient dense, you know. So few nettle tops and kiad rodella no garvlifs, which is cleavers. Focal foin an nantoga actually sell a bug made a Earraigh. Nantoga hoshe just goma the on fuile glane. I mean, nor how to counter detox nu Athbhríoch ein or the hogma than fuil glane hoshe ho detoxing action larger again. A key beders an námtóg bainis gannach. Níl cinnte fós. So yeah, ho sé lán le írin mineralí, ha sé go mád an baine a bhéadú, má ha tú behu de lenah. Yeah, Athbhríoch ceart ann Tonic ceart like mineral rich. So nish ha garvelis again, agus ha garvelis biog, and these are cleavers, had she'd better known as sticky backs. They're really biog now, but like, you know, how she kasula microgreens, it's like how they're biog, but how they're nutrient dense. So Lena cín seo ha sé ní féidir an bór fiúcha gan an préamh, so tagann sé go léir suas. So sin an cúis gur thug mé sa because an sin fágan tú an fréamh i dhéag. Tá bhaid níos mó an saolann so, má dtír muid ag bogad lom. Éisne! Sin éisne. So yomi cúpla cín. I mean, bet she'd so like, I mean, má aithna gut ar garvelis, if you know cleavers, like these guys will.
Éisne!
We've covered the whole ditch. Éisne Storlard! Okay, so sin garvelis. Oh yeah, garvelis. Had sé go ma a gcóir an crackin actually. An crackin a glanna. An foil a glanna. Gachrad a fiú comíd an óh beise go mad an foil. Gachrad an Athbhríoch so. Agus ha sé go ma freisin an garvelis go ma chun ceap mága dhéanamh as na cara. An úsáid is cotíanta the garvelis. To make your friend look like an Egypt by putting a sticky back on him. That's the most common use of garvelis.
Yena said Ishna ne.
Huh?
Yena said Ishna ne.
Fairplay. Yeah. The only unit.
Ishna mouse!
Come like Ishna though. Okay.
I'm still on Sasta.
And ish hamid condol Saul store. Just condol oh, Bader document gavan scared look on Casherbon. Shin Casherbon. Casherbon. Ouchie. That one's ouchie, but Neil and count.
Yeah.
And count shot, Neil she ouchie. And Kian to a store, because Neil count of one.
Kian?
Yeah.
So Toki me na diloga.
Diloga.
Agus Toki me unborn so.
Oh yes.
I mean, they can know ni hog fi count a hot in a einer because how she just says
What's this? I
like rather than the real than four like the rules of harvesting, sustainably harvesting. Gan count a value a hot less hain. Cuddy? Ballet. Tigiri is your yenif.
Yeah.
Shin butterbur. This one, oh look, and son come out, ni go doing bug a few, ha sour.
Tawa.
Sour. Now she show a kasule.
Yeah.
Han sulok like
No, there's a.
this one.
Yeah.
This one is stig.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. And then an garvelis le ishne, so follow me these one garvelis. This all heist again. Oh stig. Show look.
That's a tick.
Dix.
Stig there, Dad.
Tespana.
Tick.
My AD. The O'Brien share my cracking pet. My AD.
Oh.
Yeah.
So sour on Kian to an sour and son, new and you make Kianella. So connect to an Casherbon dandelion.
Stock a gnochamer but honis mo le value
Oh, vai nismo. Agus dyn mi de lo elle coma because an sour new side me like Neil sé sais lornux in Athbhríoch really. Ha sé bhíoch sé níos cotíanta é a úsáid I cócrocht. But cinnta ha sé go maidit. So it's few like just look and so kind of like so. Just a cath isteach. Being like ahnofi on sour leis an look.
Mommy.
Yeah.
What's this?
Sin sour.
A sour.
Sour.
Look, sour.
Sin sawa ishna na.
Yeah.
Tespana.
Who's and so?
Sour. Sour.
Just an bailin so, ha curn on cashin, agus ní bheith sé
Gassin.
Beg an saoirlinn don saoire fad.
Daddy. Gassin.
Agus ha siad fáil éon gurt.
Gassin.
But an stuff seo, ní bheith siad, ní bheith, ha sé really just an arach a ha sé seo. again because, well, I mean, how tagging the blow in it.
Agus cadé?
Carnán Cashel.
Okay.
Wall Pennyworth. A hugging she there. Severely. And just like Usaita is salad agus capra, but just nor how she og because nura you see Kianto and da like Imean and da topic of opened agus and da hona deloga. So she just need deloga oga. She sheriff, but it sticks a Athbhríoch ní blas fá é. Hama rá Athbhríoch, but she smoothie a hobby can Athbhríoch is a tonic, but it's a tonic and a smoothie. It's just rud ceanna because Peter is like just she'd shown already a curfew istig is bring tonic for detoxing. So did for actually ishke curistachim son and so in on it tarhi agus just a ágáil ann agus ligdó just sí ann agus súisteach don isce a súisteach an súlach on stuff. So let the water absorb the juices, just leave it sit, and then you just drink that and you have a tonic, a very strong tonic. Leave it overnight. You did for veru agus té dhéanamh agus é sin ágáil ann overnight. Harithe. So, but for her homemade kun and green smoothie a dhéanamh because that's definitely the funnest way to get your minerals. So rock with the stock.